Thanks, Mark. So Brittney's under lock and key. Her dad is in control of her estate, and her kids are still with K-Fed. How will all of this play out? Family lawyer Chang Rickert joins us now to help sort it all out, if we can. By the way, Kelly, this just in to Hollywood 411. The conservatorship has been extended to Valentine's Day, the 14th.
It's horrible.
What does that mean?
As far as her custody battle,
right.
it's pretty much, it's game over for her custody battle for now. A conservatorship is not normally granted until the judge makes a decision that the person is mentally incapacitated, meaning they can't take care of themselves. So if a person can't take care of themselves, it can pretty much be assumed legally they can't take care of their children. Custody is always granted based on the health, safety, and welfare of the children. If somebody is incapacitated, they can't take care of their children. So pretty much the custody battle for now is game over.
Well, she had 3 strikes. I mean, first of all, the doctor this weekend said she was not able to make decisions on her own. And then the conservatorship has been extended, and the doctors extended her stay for 14 days.
Yes, it's all horrible.
Yeah, I mean, so nothing was going good as far as getting her kids back.
Right.
Where does it stand as far as just getting visitation rights even now?
I don't even see that happening because right now she's not in a state to be by herself alone. So with her children, it's going to be monitored visit in a psychiatric ward. It's not good for the children, so I don't see that happening.
So as far as her family goes, her dad's going to try, her parents are trying to continue to get their conservatorship, so that battle continues also for her estate, her money. So there's a lot of legal thing. It's kind of weird. She's almost completely mentally incapacitated, yet the biggest decisions of her life are being made right now with her kids and her estate, her money, everything.
Exactly. And she's not going to be the one now because of this conservatorship to make them. They're actually leaving these decisions in the hands of whoever's going to be deemed her legal guardian, because this is what happens in a conservatorship.
And so, and the courts are usually pretty generous as far as the needs of kids to be with their moms. But you're saying that's really going to be diminished in this capacity.
Right now it is.
Yeah.
She's basically off limits. She's in a psychiatric ward. She's held there. We don't know when that's going to be lifted. I don't know what type of conservatorship it is. Generally, a conservatorship does not lift until death or further court order. She could be under a limited one, which lasts for about a year. But beyond the details, this is what I can tell you. Right now, she's not going to be given any custody of her children.
And she really, I mean, being bipolar and being locked up in the psych ward, she can't even really speak on her own behalf. So really right now you're just counting on lawyers that you had previously hired to do your bidding right now.
Well, here's the interesting part. The conservator can actually make a decision to fire her lawyer. Which is
her dad.
Exactly. So right now I know there's a battle going on in court between her lawyers and her parents, because if her parents become conservators, they have the legal ability to fire her lawyers.
Wow.
And take over. Yeah, so it's interesting.
Interesting, but
it's very sad.
Yeah, I was going to say,
yeah.
Very interesting case as far as the study of the law, but unbelievably sad that you have the life of these kids and the life of a woman right now at stake.
It's truly the story of a fallen star.
Chang Rickert, thank you very much. I appreciate the time and the knowledge, letting us into the whole legalese, which gets kind of confusing. Maddie, what's going on?